In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet from Google Calendar using Google Workspace for Business. This is a really handy way to ensure you never miss another important meeting by accessing everything you need right from your calendar. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, to kick this off, you'll need to head over to the Google Workspace website. Simply open up your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or something else, and type in the URL or search for Google Workspace and click on the official link. Once you're on the Google Workspace page, you'll notice a variety of options that make navigating their suite of tools quite straightforward. Now, look for the Products option. This should be visibly listed on the page. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a menu that showcases all the products available within Google Workspace. From this menu, search for the calendar and click on it, directing you to Google Calendar's page. Next, you'll find a sign-in button. Click on this to log into your Google account. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your Google Calendar. This step ensures that all your scheduled meetings are linked to the correct account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the familiar Google Calendar interface. Now, locate the date of the meeting you want to attend. You can do this by either using the arrow keys to navigate through the days or using the calendar preview on the side to jump directly to the correct date. Click on the date when your meeting is scheduled. After selecting the date, you should be able to see all your scheduled events for that day displayed in the main section of the calendar. Look for the meeting entry you intend to join, click on the event, and this will open up a Details tab with all the information regarding your meeting. On this page, you should find the Google Meet link generally highlighted or marked distinctly amongst the event details. Take a moment to double check and make sure it's the correct meeting link before proceeding. Once you verify this, go ahead and click on the link. You'll be redirected from Google Calendar to the Google Meet page. Finally, you'll see a Join the Meeting button once you're on the Google Meet interface. Click this button to enter your meeting. Make sure your audio and video settings are correct before joining so you're all set for a productive session. And there you have it. You've successfully joined a Google Meet meeting right from your Google Calendar using Google Workspace for Business. By following these steps, you can seamlessly join any scheduled meetings without frantically searching for links or details at the last minute. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your workday a little simpler.